One of the hardest things about parenting is the uncertainty, not knowing how to handle a situation, not being sure how to best support a child when they're going through a difficult time. The oldest child in my extended family is 32, and the youngest at the moment is 6. And let me tell you, life throws so many things at us as families. If we haven't established habitual actions and activities to consciously cultivate our emotional resilience, spiritual, mental, physical, and vocational resilience, we are going to feel overwhelmed. We are going to sit with guilt and shame about our parenting. We are going to find ourselves feeling lost and burning out and being fatigued. And in my Get Up and Grow community, I focus on that, establishing ways and means to consciously cultivate your resilience so that as a family, you can lead with confidence through whatever hardship or adversity or even traumatic experience you're going through. I'm Sinta Ebersohn, and I invite you to get up and grow with me. Come on, sign up and join us.